The bedroom in this house was somewhat secondary on the list. Obviously, after moving in, as you do, you focus on the main floor, but after spending a fair amount of time decorating the main living space, we figured it was about time to get to the master bedroom. It was pretty bare bones, just a bed and some side tables, and at the end was just this dark brick wall with dark wood that just kind of took over the whole space. And after living here for a bit, we kind of figured out the look we wanted, the feel we wanted. So the bedroom was a small project, but it was really fun to take on. The deal breaker for us, which is kind of crazy, is that we wanted a king size bed, and it's such a tiny city bedroom that I think a lot of people would say, you know, get a bed that fits the scale of the space, but we just wanted a king size bed. So we made sure that that was the #1 thing. And then, you know, the city street lights are outside, so good blackout drapes that were full double wide was another key element that we needed in the bedroom. Because the bed is so big and dominates the room, we wanted to keep it pretty neutral. I still love a layered bed, but you know, keeping it light and bright and minimal on the pillows. I don't know if 5 pillows is minimal, but minimal on the pillows allows for such an elephant in the room to feel a little bit more welcome. I knew in my mind I wanted a serene space, so I tried to develop just a really simple, somewhat monochromatic color palette, so it's light and neutral. And in doing so, I also thought that it would be incredibly important to give it some interest with layers of texture. So there's a great wallpaper in there, which I was looking for forever. The wallpaper is from NewWall, and it's a Shibori-print, and it echoes beautiful fabric. One of the leaps of faith I took was painting the brick, which was definitely no small feat. It's quite a project to paint brick, but I'm so happy I did because the impact of just that nice white wall at the end achieves the overall just serenity, and it still has the beautiful texture of the brick, which I'm happy with. And now it is quietly in the background. It's not a dominant figure in the space anymore. My favorite 2 pieces in the room were a huge save. I found them in my parents' basement. They are actually my grandparents' bedside tables. Lovely little vintage find. And then my parents used them in their first house, so you know, they've gone down in generations, and I'm happy to have them here. I love also that they kind of bring in a nice natural wood element that is a warm tone. We definitely love how the bedroom turned out, and Teddy's a fan as well. The big windows are great for squirrel watching.